just before we introduce the course, what is the expectations you have from this course? Why do you think you should be joining this course? Or what is it that is intriguing you and asking you to attend this orientation and think about trading?
So, I mean, I'm a very novice to trading. I always wanted to do it, but did not have the background or the expertise to do it.
Yeah.
So, Aditya mentioned that this is something that you guys do from beginner level to expert level training. So that intrigued me and wanted to know more about what the course entails and what kind of training and other details will be provided.
Lovely. All right. There are many people who conduct such courses. We are one of them. But I think the difference between them and us is the number one, we are Indians running the show. So the language barrier will not be there, number one. Number two, this is a structured course. I mean, as once the course is introduced to you and told to you who are the instructors and what are the expertise across, you will realize it's a detailed, structured course, and the team is quite varied in their experience.
Okay.
So what we bring across on the table is almost about 50 years of strong trading experience. So yes, you will have some advantages today. What we can claim and what we actually deliver. I think if you go to the website, you will see a lot of videos and testimonials by our students. Each one talking about a different trait, about the instructors, about the course, and how one would actually go about teaching you. It's a varied experience. Trading is like, as somebody would tell you, to be a good investor and be a good trader, one should learn to never keep his money idle. Yeah. If your money can grow while you are sleeping, then your investments are very secure. And that is what you should actually be aiming for. Let your money work for you.
Yeah.
Right.
And I mean, obviously, there would be a lot of market research that has to be done while we learn this.
Yes, of course, market research will have to be done because it is involving your money, your hard-earned money, which I'm sure nobody in this world would ever like to give up that easily. So yes, earning money is not difficult, as we all know. I mean, we are away from our home country only because we wish to earn much more and earn in a better manner. So yes, earning money is not difficult. Just as getting qualified to earn money required all of you to become graduates or engineers. For a person to become a surgeon, he would have to study medicine first for the full 5 years. Thereafter, get specialized into a specialized activity of surgery. And thereafter, he will start interning and practicing and then becoming an expert. Same goes for the stock market. One should learn the skills first, skill yourself up, get confident, and then start trading in a very, very shallow water, test your water, get your confidence, and then start moving ahead and making good money. So, sorry, it's a long process, but a steady process and a process which you will enjoy. Once those trades start coming in good, you start making money, you start getting more confident, you will start getting assured that you have a second line of income. And this can always prolong further in your life, even after your retirement.
Yeah.
And the biggest advantage of learning technicals is that it's a skill that can be used in any part of the world. It's a skill that you can trade on any exchange or any traded commodity in the world. Be it stocks, be it gold, be it oil, be it bonds, anything. You just name it and you can actually use the same technical expertise that you will gather and learn. And that is yours for life. That's the advantage of trading.
This is not limited to stocks?
No, what we are teaching you is stocks, but we are teaching you technical trading, technical analysis, and then trading accordingly. And that is a skill that can be used in trading whatever instrument you want to trade. You want to trade stocks, good. You want to trade bitcoins, good. You want to trade commodities, better. You want to trade precious metals, very good. You can trade because the technical parameters will remain the same. When you analyze a script, you will analyze the script on basis of a few things. Those will remain same, and that can be correlated to and extrapolated to any markets. Anything that can be traded, you can correlate to it, and you can extrapolate your experience and your knowledge over there too.
Okay.
That is the reason why it's a wonderful knowledge to get.
And it's not limited to any stock market, like.
No. I am sitting in Mumbai. If you want to know where I am currently located in Mumbai, and I trade on NSE, National Stock Exchange India, as well as on TSX in Canada and on Nasdaq in US, all sitting in Mumbai.
Okay.
Right. So that is your skill. That is the skill that you will learn, you will acquire, and then you practice. And as you keep practicing, you hone your skills better, sharpen them up, and then you start trading. Now we just see Vivek Nalwadi, who just switched on his camera.
Hi.
The gentleman is a part of our team, and you ask him his history, when did he start trading, he'll give you a different take altogether.
Yes.
And the gentleman concerned is trading on instruments which I will never touch. I
invest and trade in crypto.
Yeah, he is a crypto trader,
Yeah.
right? And ask him how did he learn? He learned it, but through us. And
Yes.
then again, not following what we do. He says no, I will do it the way I enjoy it. Because he's got his confidence levels. And
Yes,
again,
true. Very true.
and again, this he has only acquired within. He has actually not acquired. He has honed his skills, improved upon his trading strategies in the last 1.5 years only, 18 months of the
Yes,
pandemic.
very true, sir.
And today he is with us as a crypto expert. That is the skill that one can acquire over time and can practice and do it.
Yeah, very true, sir.
Awesome.
Kamal is now online. He's switched on his video. So now I will have to keep quiet because he will now take over. So thank you very much for hearing me out. Kamal, over to you. We have Ashish, we have Advait, and we have Kushal. All three of you, and of course, Arun, welcome to our orientation session. Now Kamal takes over.
Thank you, Vivek, sir. And welcome all. Arun, Ashish, Edward, Kushal. We'll begin with the presentation so that you get a glimpse of what the course is, what the content is, what would be the course schedule and fees. And we'll open up for questions. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask us anytime during the presentation. So in this presentation, we would like to share you what this course looks like. So this course is for all levels, whether you are a beginner who has never traded in stocks or cryptocurrencies, or you are someone who has been trading and would like to upskill yourself in trading. If you are someone who has some understanding of the fundamentals, technicals, but you are not able to apply, this course would certainly be your place where it will uplift you. It will help you in making your knowledge concrete and helping you apply that knowledge in an effective way, which would reflect in your trades. So I would say, to begin with, it might be very easy. Some of the topics which we start is kind of ABC, and as we go along the course, we gradually introduce topics which become handy in making you a skilled and a successful trader. As a working professional, you can utilize whatever is taught here to align yourself either as a trader who takes positions or swing trades for generating second source of income from stock market, or could upscale yourself to become a day trader or a professional trader and make trading as your primary. So the agenda in this session is that we would take you through our GMT team, what the course is, the schedule, why you should consider this course, and we'll go in depth about what the course includes and open up for queries. Now, before going there, we would like to give a short brief of what GMT team is. So we started as a WhatsApp community in June 2020 last year, and since then we have grown over 5K community, over 8 social platforms. We have 6 WhatsApp groups, 3 Telegram groups, and have been growing. And this has become possible only because of the community that we have. Everyone likes sharing their knowledge, their trades that they are following, opportunities that could be benefiting for everyone. That laid a base for us to come together, and one of our team member proposed that let's connect on Zoom, and we started having weekend calls, which became a prep for us to take trades in the subsequent week. We used to do analysis of the stock market, of the stocks, and come up with buy, sell, and target prices which people used to trade. This we did for over a year, and as we were growing, we got requests for us to launch a course which can become a structured platform for learning and becoming a skilled trader, skill at trading, enhance the skills at trading. That's when we thought of going ahead and registering GMT as an organization so that we can bring more effective learning to the community and the members that get associated in our community. And so we registered in June, and we launched our website within a month on July 18th. We had our first batch, which we catered towards beginners, those who haven't done trading or had lesser time in trading. The first and second batch has been so successful that we have been getting feedbacks which are very motivating for us to advance this course to a level which can be open for all levels. And that's where we are starting the next batch on 23rd of October. And you would be one of those, if you enroll, be fascinated with the content that's covered within the course duration, and the way the instructors deliver, the experts that you will learn from. You might be hearing about other courses, but this platform, the instructors, the experience that they bring in is unique aspect of our team. So to talk about our team, this is me, and we have Tahir. He will be the lead instructor for covering the fundamentals and the basics of technical analysis. Vivek Bhatia, you heard, those of you joined at the start, you heard him, and you will hear him as we go along this presentation as well as during the course. He has wealth of experience, and his experience is something that we are blessed to bring to you, and you would learn so much from him, from his experience, that will not only make you a better trader, but bring passion into trading, will make you fall in love with trading is what I can say. Next is Aditya Challa. He is one of our key data experts. He talks about stuff which is very concrete, and you'll be hearing from him on topics which you might not have thought as part of trading. You need to be conscious about an important aspect called psychology. Next, we have Vivek Nalavade. He is our crypto expert. For those who have been trading crypto and are part of our crypto groups, he has been the key support, the guide on when to enter, when to exit, and you'll learn a lot from him. Now, talking about the course, if you are referred by someone, you would have already visited the course page. If not, sorry, I'll take through the course page where you'll find most of the information. Just open the page. Yeah. So this is the main course page where you will get most of the information or almost all the information that you need to register in the course or get to know about the course. As we get along the course, also we upload all the slides under the course content. To talk about the course, as we mentioned that this course is for all levels and is for traders or investors who want to learn the right fundamental and technical skills in trading stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, or any other financial instruments. This course gives you everything you need to get started and grow your money steadily. And we say that as based on our experience of taking the 2 batch of the course and the community that we have built based on our weekend sessions, the learnings that have been imparted to the community, and based on the feedbacks, we have structured this course so it adds value to you in understanding what drives the stock market, what drives the stock prices. As GMT instructors, we help you to acquire the required skills in trading and offer assistance so that at the end of the course, you become self-reliant and become confident to take trades in any global exchange. Although our primary focus in this course would be North American market, primarily Canadian and US. However, the learnings that you acquire here would apply on any exchange, be it UAE, India, Pakistan. These skills that will help you equip with in this course would be handy in trading in any exchange around the world. And also any instrument, be it stocks or cryptocurrencies. We help you in setting up from zero level and take you through step by step in this journey and help you to acquire and get equipped to become a successful and consistent profit-making trader. Now, talking about the course schedule, the course is span across 5 weeks, starting on 23rd October, which is next or the coming Saturday, up to 20th November. So it's 4.5, you can say 4 weeks and 1 additional Saturday. So almost 5 weeks course. It will be on Saturdays and Sundays only. And the timing would be 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. wherein we open the call at 11 a.m. and the actual topic starts at 11:30. The initial half an hour is for doubts and queries on any topics that are covered in the previous class. Based on our experience, we have seen that half an hour usually tends to be less. The number of doubts and queries that people come up based on the learning that happens during the weekdays. So although our course classes are on Saturdays and Sundays, we give so much of homework and analysis to do during the weekdays after your work hours, that you come up with new learnings and ask questions on clarifying those learnings. So that initial half an hour is for the doubts clearing. And also if someone has missed previous class, we encourage them to watch the recording and come to the class so that we can help them understand better. The mode is online on Zoom, and we share recordings based on people's request, but in most of the cases we also share with everyone so people can revisit the recordings, because the content is so heavy that people prefer to revisit and make their learnings better. So we do also share with everyone registered in the course. However, the recordings are private videos. These are on YouTube. So we request for your Gmail, which you use for registering or which you use for using YouTube. Since the videos are private, it can be accessed only with your registered Gmail IDs. Now, for taking you through what you will learn and what is the course content, I would like to invite Vivek Bhatia to take you through.
Thank you, Kamal. Welcome, friends. As Kamal has already told you, it's a structured course for almost 5 weeks, starting at 11 o'clock on Saturday and Sunday. The reason we start at 11 is so that everybody gets comfortable. They're done with the morning course, and the first half an hour is basically devoted to answering your queries and your questions of all that has been taught to you so far. And thereafter, we start at 11:30, we start up to 2 o'clock in teaching you or talking about the subject on hand. Now, as I was speaking earlier, this is a structured course which actually starts right from scratch. So to call it a beginner's course would not be wrong, but would also not be right, because we don't stop at only making you learn the alphabets. You will learn to make your sentences, you will learn to write your paragraphs, and with time, you will also learn to write your storybooks. Right? So it's an expansive course. Now, it covers all markets. So how do we go about it? Like when you had learned your languages first, when you started to learn to speak your language, you learned the alphabets. Thereafter, you learned the basic words. Then you learned sentence formation. And then you came to your paragraph writing. That's exactly how we will do it here. We will always start with your basics in fundamentals. Fundamentals is nothing but reading balance sheets and financial books or accounts of various companies. You don't have to be an expert to read all the balance sheets, but you should be able to pick out key figures from any financial papers and help you to understand how the company is doing. That is what financial analysis is all about. Fundamental analysis is all about. You understand the health of a company from your fundamental analysis, because that is going to be the basic on which you will be taking a call. Are you going to be trading in this company or investing in this company or not? Thereafter, after we quickly go through the fundamentals, where you understand why are you going to be picking up a company, why are you going to be avoiding a company, you would then come into technical analysis. Now, technical analysis, the start of technical analysis is always candlesticks and a few charts and patterns, right? Something over there. Now, we would actually make your hands dirty. You would actually start learning all the candlesticks that are available in the market. I don't say you will learn all of them, but you will learn about candlesticks that are most critical for you, most common for you, and most utilized by the traders at large. So you will learn about candlesticks. You would learn the language of what a candlestick is talking to you about. So get ready to learn this. It's a very good language. understand what images are trying to tell you, and then trade accordingly. It's a skill which best of the traders acquire but don't talk of it. We here talk of it and ask you to acquire it steadily. You will acquire it by the end of the course, but yes, you will require to put in some efforts also. So the candlesticks being done. Now here, the course is very interactive. You will be interacting with the entire team at almost any time of the session, or even during the day or during the week after the session is over. The sessions are Saturday, Sunday, but Monday to Friday, you have a query, you will be put into a separate group where you would be nurtured and mentored. And you will then answer all your queries. Whatever doubts are raised will be answered there immediately. Now, the panel of instructors is such that the group is open 24 hours. It all depends what is the most convenient time for you to ask a question to us. Rest be assured, somebody or the other from the panel of instructors will answer your query definitely. Now, that was the group. Now, how do we go about teaching you? I just told you we talk about patterns, we talk about everything else. We also talk to you about the trading secrets, which the trading community uses across the globe. Most of the traders, good professional traders, trade only on basis of supports and resistances. 99.99 traders use this and will never admit it. Here we will not only admit it, we will teach you and make you an expert on drawing and identifying a support and resistance while you are trading. So this is going to be a hands-on strategy. You will actually be mentored during the class to draw your supports and resistances by one of the mentors around. We would have various tools that we do that for, but we do that. So you draw supports and resistances, you draw your trend lines, understanding what the market is trending. Is it upward trend, downward trend? Is it consolidation, or is it distribution happening? And these are all technical terms which you will learn as we go by. But yes, important terms, and each one carries a lot of weight. So when I'm using these terms, I'm using them carefully, but these are the terms which you have to get accustomed to. Right? So after your support and resistances, your trend lines, next would come, how do you identify your trend? What indicators do you use? Do you use visual medium or do you use number medium? Now, many of us are not comfortable with numbers. Some of us are, some of us are not. So we will teach you visual medium also, which is easiest to be seen by eye, easiest to understand, and easy to implement. So we would use a lot of indicators and talk to you about all of them. Now, all these indicators are common indicators used by all the traders. Now, exactly in GMT over here, we would be busting a lot of myth, which people want to keep it under wraps, but we don't mind sharing it. Why do we don't mind sharing it? Because we understand this. Stock markets across the globe is an ocean. You can take out a pail of water every day, every hour, and the ocean will not mind it. I'm not saying a mug of water. I'm talking about a pail of water. You can do that regularly. Many of us, our students, are now actually speaking and telling us, sir, do you really think we should continue in our current profession or should we shift our profession? Because we are now the masters of our own will. We can sit at home, don't have to step out, forget the pandemic restrictions. I can sit at home, earn my money and earn better money. So why do I really want to spend time in serving the other masters in my office? Can I not do that? Yes, you could. But we always tell you, use this as a secondary income until and unless your secondary income does not supersede your primary income. Once it supersedes your primary income, then of course, this becomes your primary income. Right? So always do that. So we teach you indicators. We then close the entire session after we share a few strategies with you. We don't share one or two strategies. We share multiple strategies. Why do we share multiple strategies? Because each one of you is a unique personality and has a unique, is unique himself to trade differently. So a strategy has to suit the trader. If the strategy suits you, choose whatever you like the best. Choose what you like the best. You need not learn all the 5 or 6 strategies that I teach you. You can choose either of one of them and say, I'm happy with this. This is giving me good money. This is giving me good money. And once that is done, trading strategies are done, we will then teach you how do you manage your trades? How do you manage your risk profile? How do you manage your market profile? How do you understand what is the market psychology? What is the trading psychology? Are you a swing trader? Are you an investor? Or are you a day trader? Or are you a momentum trader? These are all different terms which we will talk about it as we go about in the course. You have to understand this. Now, after learning the strategies, after learning the position sizing, after learning how to manage your risk, you should also know when to buy, what to buy, in what quantity to buy, and when to sell. Buying is very easy. But making a profit, when you sell and close a trade, when the money comes back into your bank, that is when the trade is complete. Till that time, your trade is never complete. I can buy anytime I want. But if I don't sell, I have not yet taken in the money. I have the dollar in the market is still in the market, it is not in my bank. The day that money comes into my bank, I know my trade is closed. Now I'm not bothered whether the market goes up or goes down, or can go to Timbuktu or God-forsaken area. Who cares? My money is coming to my bank. I am happy. Right? I am happy. So we will tell you all of this. And the most important thing is the stop losses. We would always talk about stop losses. How do you maintain your capital? How do you secure your capital? You're all immigrants into the country. You're all there working for a better life for yourself. So naturally, your money is hard-earned money, should be preserved at every point of time. So how do you maintain a capital? How do you secure your capital? That is what the way we do it. Kamal, can you just scroll down slightly more? That's it. Now, the team of instructors, the images that are shown to you are already on the screen. The first one is Kamal Kishore Pal. He's the director of GMT, the brain behind it, and the leader, and he's basically our leader, right? He's our team leader, as you would call it. Tahir, a gentleman from Karachi, but a very good professional. His fundamental analysis, his technical analysis is worth dying for. I love hearing him out. And he's passionate about, when it comes to teaching his fundamentals, he is very passionate. Like I can be passionate. I can speak to you for hours and hours and hours on technical analysis. He can speak to you till you drop tired on fundamental analysis. He can really continue speaking. So we have to actually tell him, Tahir, enough. It's exhausting. Like Tahir tells me, Vivek, enough. It's exhausting. I give it back to him in the same tone. Tahir, enough. It's exhausting. We love to have this kind of a jovial banter between the two of us, right? Next is Aditya. Aditya, a professional, a data expert. Person who is normally very quiet, but when he speaks, you have to be careful because his one-liners and his punches are lethal. His analysis is beautiful. Vivek, as I was just telling before we started the presentation, is a crypto expert for us. He started trading on the market, watching us during our weekend classes, learning from us, and today we are so glad that we have him on our panel as an instructor, as an expert on a instrument which I would normally never follow. Vivek and me, very clearly diverse opinions. He is always loves to talk of crypto, and I'm the one who always red flags crypto. Whenever he talks of crypto, I say, I am keeping my ears shut. I am not interested to hear about crypto. Myself, Vivek Bhatia. I entered my trading experience in 07. Prior to that, I was an investor, right from 1987 onwards, I'm an investor when I started my career. Right? I did my management and I started my career in 86, 87. I remember I started investing in stock markets. But I became a trader in 07. So after being an employee for various MNCs, I came into my own business. I wound up my business at the age of 43. Supposedly, I retired at the age of 43. And I ventured into the activity of trading. And after that, I've seen the highs and lows of the market. I'll be sharing with you a lot of my personal experiences of the market. Something which is not there in the books, which is not there on paper and pen, nor on video, but small anecdotes which you can learn from. And you will appreciate that. Right? Now, as you already have realized, I have actually overstretched myself because I love to speak. And that is what you will also realize that once you start coming for the course. Our starting time is dot 11 o'clock. But when we close, don't ask me. Right? Now, we would try to inculcate you into you during the process, a lot of discipline and patience into your psyche. Why? Because you require these two traits when you're trading in market. You require to be patient and you require to be disciplined because you have to follow some instructions. You have to follow some strategies to the T. You dot your I's, you cross your T exactly the way you want it to be done. Only then can you become a very good trader. You can become a very good trader after that, right? So that's the team that we'll talk to you about. I'll push it back to Kamal to take it further. Thank you, Kamal.
Thank you, Vivek, sir. I would just like to extend one line which you mentioned that you extended here and you do extend during the course. And believe me, everyone, people love Vivek sir talking. Even if it is 3 o'clock, the call goes another extra 1 hour, 1.5 hours, because members don't want to drop from the call. They want to hear more from him. And
that actually goes for all the instructors. The members in the 2 batches that we have had, all right, let me put it this way. You're talking about 11 to 2, right? Sometimes our sessions go on from 11 to 4 or 11 to 5 also without a break. So you have only had breakfast, you've never had lunch, and no participant, no learner tells us, sir, please give us a break. Never has it happened. They always say, sir, forget the meal, you continue. And that not only for me, for practically every instructor. The passion that we will actually push it down or pump it within your veins will be so high that you yourself will say, no, sir, let's continue. The meal can wait. So when you are actually closing your call at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, can anybody imagine what time is it for me in India? Right? It's almost 3:34 in the morning. And we have always been alert around for our students. Well, the passion for all 5 of us is to teach and impart. The ocean is so big that even if we impart to you all our knowledge, we can still mint our money, but the passion to impart knowledge is actually driving us onto this platform. All right. So thank you very much. Hopefully I'll see you in the class very shortly. Kamal, can you please take it over?
Thank you, Vivek sir. I would like to now invite Aditya to take us through the course, important aspect of registration and what the course includes.
Sure. Thank you, Kamal. We'll do that. Hi, everyone. Once again, welcome. And I think you might have been provided all the details by Mr. Vivek Bhatia and Kamal. So I think now you might be excited to join the course. But before you join, I think one question that you might have is like, what is the fees that I need to pay and when is the course joining, what is the duration and other important stuff. So the course is officially going to start on the 23rd of October. That is the next Saturday. And in terms of the fees, so the original fees, as you can see on the screen, is $499. But as an early bird discount, you would be, sorry, the fees is $414, but an early bird discount, you'll be getting it at $399. So this is open until the 23rd of October. So make sure that you enroll before that so that you would be able to get this offer at $399, which is you don't have any taxes, guys. So $399 is all inclusive. So you need not worry about taxes if you're enrolling as an early bird. And then there is another caveat bottom wherein it says 90 days money back through profits, which I'm going to discuss about in the next few topics while I'm discussing. And another point is the referral bonus of $20. Suppose anyone has referred you, so you would be getting a $20 Canadian referral. Suppose if you want to refer anyone also, you will be able to get the $20. And this is not restricted to any one or two people. You might refer as many people as you want, and you would be getting $20 for each of them. So if you feel there are any of your friends, cousins, or relatives who would be interested and want to join, so feel free to let them know about this and they should be okay to join. And the most important thing is in terms of the course details and the topics. So you can see that we have mentioned that there are 15 plus topics that we will be teaching as part of this trading course. This is the official number as we are mentioning, but there will be many more topics which we'll be discussing wherein you will know about the tips and tricks of trading and how you can make sure that you are able to save your capital or make sure that you have maximum gains. And coming to the number of hours of session, again, here we mentioned 22 plus hours. And as Vivek sir has mentioned, we only have a start time as 11 o'clock and our end time officially is 2, but there are times wherein it gets extended 3:34. Unless all your queries and questions are answered, we would not be closing the call, irrespective of the end time. So that is something that we will guarantee you that before you drop the call for that particular day, all your questions are answered. And apart from that, once the call is done, if you have any questions or queries, the next day, what we do is we start the session a few minutes early, either 30 minutes or half an hour, whatever time it is, just to make sure that we are able to answer your pending questions before we actually start the course. The next point is the refresher lessons free within 3 months. There will be instances wherein you might have missed a few classes, or there are instances wherein you might not have understood a particular topic and you want us to explain that again. So we would be sharing the videos anyways with you based on demand. But apart from that, if you want to attend a live session after we complete the course, in the future subsequent courses that we are starting, you are free to attend only that lecture or the complete course up to your discretion based on your availability. So there is no hard stop that, okay, if I don't understand anything, that's the end of it. We would be ensuring that we handhold you and teach you until you understand that particular topic. And the most important point is money back through profits, which I said I would be discussing now. So you might be of the opinion that, okay, I have paid my $399, what next? How can I make sure that I get my money back? So as part of the trading, what we will be doing is we will be providing you with regular tickers on a weekly basis so that you can trade. So the caveat here is you need to make sure that you at least have $3,000 Canadian in your account before you start trading. And another important aspect is we will not allow you to buy all the shares or one stock for all the $3,000 amount. We would make sure that you buy it in bits and pieces. So basically our amount is $500 for each stock or each lot. So there is nothing more, nothing less, because that will ensure that if at all any stock is going low, you are able to save your capital. Although we will be providing you with the stop loss and take profit details, we just want to make sure that you would be consistently trading in a disciplined manner, which is very, very important. The next point is handling in GMT Premium Group. So once everyone joins, so we would be creating a premium group for only the students of the particular batch, wherein we would be answering your questions. Suppose if any of you are already trading and you have experience, but you're not sure whether your portfolio is doing good, you want any details in terms of the stocks that you're currently holding, whether you need to hold them or whether you need to sell them, or if you need any further information, we would be helping in ensuring that we answer all those questions, apart from providing the tickers, wherein we would even teach you as to why we have taken that particular stock and why we have applied a particular take profit or stop loss. And at the end of the course or the end of the 5-week or 4.5 week window, you would get a certificate of completion, guys, which would help you take that certificate and say that, okay, I've completed this course. And in terms of the target audience, so if you look at it, though this is saying is beginners to seasoned traders, so one thing what you can be rest assured is wherever you are in the current scenario in terms of your trading experience, you would go out once this course is done with gaining lots of experience and thinking that, okay, I have learned something new which you can use and make sure that I can make my profits. And you can use these strategies in your stocks if you're trading in options, cryptocurrencies, in foreign exchange, because we will ensure that the trading techniques that we teach can be used across multiple exchanges. So which is an advantage as well. And coming to the requirements, all that you need is a computer, laptop, or a smartphone with a stable internet connection. But what we suggest is you look at it on a computer or laptop, because there are certain charts or a certain slides which we show which would not be clearly visible in a smartphone. So we want you to make sure that you are able to view that properly using a computer or laptop. And another important aspect, guys, what we say is make sure that when you're joining this course, give your 100% to it, because this is something which would help you earn money. And as we already mentioned, you can make it as a full-time job in future or based on the profits that you make. But make sure that you block your 11 a.m. to 2 a.m., 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. EST for the coming next 5 weeks once you're joining. Okay, with that, I end it. If you have any further questions, I leave the floor open and you can ask us. Over to you, Kamal. Thank you. Thanks.
Do you have any comment?
Yes, if I can just step in over here. Can you just scroll up slightly? Scroll up slightly. That's it. 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 No, come down. Come down. All right, guys. Friends, keep one thing in mind over here. Aditya has given you a brief of what we are going to cover, how we are going to cover. Now, we talked about money back through trading profits. So we would be giving you trades with proper identified stop losses, proper identified entry points, buying prices, and proper identified targets. Now, this would be given to you practically at the end of the first week itself or the second week. But keep one thing in mind. When we give you a trade here, we give you a trade based on what we have already taught to you and not based on what we have already, what we know. We will always give you a trade based on what we have already taught to you. Why? Because we would expect our learners, keen learners, to question us. We can also make a blunder. We can also make a mistake. So you should learn to question your mentors and your traders, your tutors also. So we would always be giving you trades based on what has been taught to you so that we can explain to you if questioned. Right? So your training along with earning will start almost simultaneously. Your money back will start. Second, Aditya mentioned this in actually a small liner that we will ask you to, we will cap your investment per trade. Why do we do that? Exactly, remember what I had spoken about? Risk profiling. We would help you to become disciplined and profile your risk. We would spread your eggs in multiple baskets. You would learn this art of profiling and risk management. You would learn this, acquire this skill that is going to help you in future also. So the money back is almost there. We will also be sharing with you tracker systems and files which you will be using as aids, not only during the course, but after all in future in your life too, to plan your portfolio, to manage what capital you're using, what money you're using on trading activity. So the money back is there, right? You will also be getting a chance to revisit our lectures. I again repeat, you can revisit our lectures by watching them on YouTube, number one. Number two, you are welcome to come and join our courses as and when they are occurring in future for whatever topics you have missed. At the same time here, something very important which I can actually inform you guys, as and how we improve upon our courses further. We always invite our old students and we give it as a complimentary session to them to acquire new skills if we are adding more topics which are being covered. Now, fortunately for you, the first two batches did not have all the content that we will be teaching you now for the third batch, which is why the third batch is not called a beginner's course. It's now called a trader's course. And the two batches are now already been offered. They've already been invited to join us for all the topics that we will be sharing with you. For the first time, they will also be joining you in the learning process. Now, that is our dedication to our learners. That is the way we want our learners to actually grow. That's the motto of this group: grow money through trading. Grow money through trading. That's exactly why we want our learners to actually become millionaires. So actually it should be grow money through trading, or
Grow
start
millionaires
becoming
together.
millionaires. Or grow or become millionaires together, whatever you call it. The abbreviations, of course, Kamal is the best one for it, but the M in the GMT can be money or can be millionaires. Right? That is the intention. We plan to have our learners turn into millionaires. That would be the best gift to us as instructors from these learners.
Sir, I don't mind billionaires.
Then we have to change the name of the group to GBT.
No, it's okay. 1000M, we'll do it 1000M.
All right. All right,
Yes.
guys.
Just for everyone's knowledge, in GMT community, we do have a millionaire through trading.
Yes, we do have a millionaire amongst us through trading. Anyway,
Yes.
with that, I think I will now stop and let Kamal proceed further. Kamal, over to you. Kamal, you can share some testimonials if you want.
Yeah.
Although we do have Seema with us.
Thank you, Vivek sir.
Yeah.
I'll share few testimonials just for everyone who goes on the website. You could see on yourself as well. Just I'll
Now,
play
before Kamal plays this lady is from our batch one. Her name is Darshana, and of course, she's our star publicity campaign manager. That is how we address her. Yes, please.
And she is one of those who joined GMT course as a beginner, and as of yesterday, she is practicing her skills, chalking out her plan to become a full-time day trader, and she is on that path. And it has happened after enrolling our course. Before that, she wasn't even trading. Just I would share with you all what she had shared with us during the call, during the class.
I've been watching YouTube since March. After watching so many videos, I understood what is it all about, but I did not know how should I go, where do I start? Like, it's like a messy house and I don't know where to start the cleanup kind of a thing. And I think my husband knew Kamal and he was part of GMT group on WhatsApp. And he said, do you want to talk to this guy because they're starting a batch tomorrow? And knowing the kind of very skeptical person I am, like I'm thinking like, I don't know anybody. I have never been into the group. I don't know how the group interacts. I still spoke to him at Friday, 9 o'clock in the night. And Kamal explained it so well. There was no fact. There was no marketing, nothing. He just explained what they do. He just talked about the coaches and the kind of experience they bring in. And there was no marketing at all. And I just went ahead and I said, okay, I'll show up tomorrow. So I go home and I paid for the thing. I can tell you guys that was my best $300 invested. And the reason I just kind of felt after 2 weeks of joining that I was enjoying so much that I thought my tribe should join as well. Why should one person join is the biggest question. Why should I pay 300 bucks? I would say that the wealth of experience, you cannot teach anybody technical knowledge. I think there are a lot of people who have asked me, oh, you teach me. I tell them I will be the wrong person to teach you because you'll be playing with your money and I'm not the right person. I understand when I'm talking to the teachers and what they are teaching me. I can give you a little bit of tip of the iceberg, but there's so much underneath that it's only people who have been actually having hands-on experience for years, who have lost some money, who have gained good gains. Now they understand the tricks of the trade, are the right people to teach. The only reason why I would ask anybody to join this is so that you're learning from the people who are experienced, who can explain you in depth and not just surface of it. I want to talk about some of the coaches, and I think Vivek had a human heart talk. You don't like me giving you a flattering talk, but I think you're amazing, and so is Tahir, and so is Vivek Nalavadekar. I think your technical analysis, when you kind of write down and send it to us, is fantastic. Kamal, I have to say that you have kind of attended my calls at odd hours, and then this goes to everybody in the WhatsApp group. Whoever is awake at 2 o'clock in the morning, they all know Darshana, that's my time. I think it's not just the coaches. I think even the entire batch is fantastic. I want to give a shout out to Prasad, the batchmate. I want to give a shout out to Vivek, Krishna for all the platform queries that we've been answering. I think it's been an amazing tribe. It's not just the technical knowledge, it's the psychology of the market. It's our own psychology when we are trading. There's so much more that goes into it, that you have kind of shared your own experience and have prepared us that we can now ride our own bike. I'm sure we're going to have some falls, but I think that is why somebody should join. I personally feel, don't do a DIY in here because you'll be wasting your money with a DIY. So yes, I would always recommend, please invest your 300 to learning from people who know it so well. Other thing that they have taught us is also not just a trade, but understanding of different platforms, understanding different types of funding that you can start with, TSFA, RRSP or cash, a bit of guideline so that you understand and you can go back to your own professionals to see what's best for you, but at least to get you started with an understanding. And so I think it's fantastic, guys. It was an overall beginner's package. I think we got a lot more than I was expecting. Fantastic.
Since you all are here, you can get a preview of something that is going to be shared, and that is the feedback from batch 2.
Guys, between, if you have any queries, you can either ask us or you can type it in the chat box.
Was fortunate enough that he could join us earlier and see the finale of our course, of what we would teach and how we would actually be pushing our students to excel in what they would really want to do further in terms of trading.
To tell about this team, like I am associated with Kamal and Vivek sir, Aditya, Tahir, all of these guys for more than a year. These are excellent individuals with whom you can get trading ideas. They do even one-on-one mentorship even when required. I'm pretty sure you are in good hands. Make the most of it. I hope you enroll, and things are very basic starting, and these are excellent people to be associated.
That's a good decision. Came in with the bits and pieces of knowledge, but then a lot of information I got. You can definitely look at them in a different view altogether. And with the kind of support you guys, even on a phone call, with a message, with a text, that's amazing. And knowing that you still will be there after the classes gives another comfort level, that we are not just thrown out in the market and said bye.
I love you guys.
Yeah, I'll just share one more. That's continuation
We will
of
be available for solving your queries, for refining your trades. Start working. You want to make money, you work hard. Money is never made easily, so you work hard. Strive. We will guide you further, handhold you if required. Refine your targets as and when required.
There is a famous old proverb that says, if you give someone a fish, you feed them for a day. If you teach someone to fish, you feed them for a lifetime. And I think that this course is actually what preparing everyone for this role. And I know that when I started, I said that I'm starting with a blank paper, and when I'm finishing this course, I'm confident saying that that paper is certainly filled with a lot of things. So thanks very much, all guys.
Lovely. Obliged and highly honored.
So these are some of our learners who learned through our beginners course, either in batch 1 or batch 2. I know we are at 12, we are at time, so we'll open up for questions. We'll extend another 10 minutes so that we can take your queries and help you feel comfortable in going ahead and registering in the course. So please feel free to unmute and ask any query, any question, any doubt if you have.
So, hi, this is Arun. As I mentioned earlier, I am a complete beginner. So, and this is going to be, I mean, there are additional materials added. So I hope it will cover beginner level and trader level both, right?
Yes, yes. The course is intended to take you from ground zero as a beginner who has never traded, from there to make you feel comfortable in becoming a self-reliant trader.
And what platform is it taught on? Like which trading platform?
So we will suggest you recommended platforms from our end depending upon where you are. Since you mentioned you are in US, if you already have your trading platform set up, we would suggest you use that. If you want to open a new account, we would be suggesting you to open on IBKR, Interactive Brokers.
Okay. Okay. And in case we have questions once the course is done, is there any support?
Of course, and Seema is there on the call, and the clip was about her. As she mentioned, even after the end of the course, we are there to assist you, to handhold you, and just to make it a point, if you can stick around or rejoin after 12:30, we have a complimentary session for both batch 1 and batch 2. Although the batches have ended, but we have kept this complimentary session for them to become comfortable on one platform which we have introduced, Discord, which it would be useful for you as well, or everyone enrolling in this course. So that will be at 12:30, and that's for all the members who had registered for the course and the batch is over. This is a complimentary which we are giving for them.
Okay.
So Arun, in our ethos of working, we would always be handholding you till we know that you can actually swim on your own. That much of confidence we definitely have, and we will always be doing that.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
Lovely. Anybody else has any other questions? Or Arun, if you have any more questions, please feel free to unmute and ask. And Seema, if you want to step in and speak, please unmute yourself and switch on your camera also. It's been ages since we have seen you now. 2 weeks it's been ages for us.
In fact, I actually missed. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It's nice to see you and be back in the class more again.
Awesome.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
Thank you. So I saw my thing being played, so
Video.
I was like, okay, I don't have to speak now.
Well, you can
No.
still speak. You can still speak if you want.
Okay. Amazing class.
Friends, she's from batch 2. She's from a batch 2 student, which I just finished about a week back.
Just got certified last week. I
Yes, just got certified.
Right?
Very true.
Yes. Starting from basic, and like you said, Arun, I think they take you from that level, teach you lots to take though, and at the same time, I would say we need to put in our hours too to learn whatever we've learned and to practice it. And at the same time, we've passed out almost a week or 2 weeks. Anyways, they are still hand-holding, like Kamal was saying, they do all these courses. You can approach to them. I've been calling Kamal. I do text them, like, they're very responsive. So it's not that they teach you and they just leave you like any other courses out there. I'm really grateful that I joined this. It's a very good decision.
Thank you, Seema.
Thank you.
Any questions? Any doubts? Pragati, Ashish.
Hey, come on, everyone.
Hi, Ashish.
Ashish here.
Yeah.
Yes, Ashish.
Hey, so for the first batch and the second batch, how many students did you had?
So for first we had 13, for second we had 16. And we
Okay,
actually,
so what?
We structure our size to 10 to 15. That was our target, but we exceeded, and we included one of the members because she said that she has her friend in the course and she would like to learn with her. So we exceeded to 16, although the higher side which we had kept was 15.
Okay, and so it's like one-on-one. Do you guys give the hand-holding thing, or how does it happen during the course and after the course?
So most of the learning happens in the class and in the group that we create for after the class during the weekdays learning. However, based on individual need, we take individual one-on-one calls. It could be phone call or preferably Zoom call, wherein we share the screens, they share their screens, they share analysis, and we help them to refine their analysis. So it's a combination of both based on individual's need.
Okay. So, but I mean, this whole hand-holding thing that you're talking about, it's for certain duration, like the 90 days, what you told about the money back, not money back, but by the
90 days is for money back, and this hand holding is for the time that you feel comfortable to become self-reliant, and whenever you would want us to help you out in anything. As an example, our batch 1 got over 5 weeks before, but we had a call yesterday evening for portfolio assistance. For his portfolio, he needed an assistant. So we are there based on individual's need. When you as an individual needs assistance from us, need mentorship from any of the instructors.
Ashish, if I may just come in and speak. We have a separate group of learners for the batch 3, which will be formed. You will be asked to share your trades, asked to share your thoughts, what you plan to take. And we would be refining your targets, refining your trades, and helping you to identify it better. So that the entire group learns simultaneously, right? That is one process of handholding in the group on the platform as such. Secondly, in case if you are stuck up in a portfolio which is a loss-making unit, or your portfolio is not growing, as Kamal just said, yesterday also we had got a call from a batch 1 student who called in and said, I am currently bogged down. Can you help me to understand how do I move ahead? So we would still do that, because the idea is to keep imparting knowledge, keep imparting what we can help you out and help you to grow. It could be individual handholding, it could be group handholding, but that will always be there. There are some people who don't like to actually talk about it openly, so that is why they message us in private. We maintain that privacy and we speak about them only in private. Right? So the process of handholding is in both, on the platform as well as in private chats. Hopefully that answers you.
Yep.
Yes, Pragati.
Anybody else? Any questions? Ashish, any further questions?
Oh, no, that's it. Thanks, Vivek.
Most welcome. Anybody else? Any other questions? Pragati, Advait.
Yeah, hi, just a quick small one. This is Advait. What is the currency of the fees? Is it US, CAD?
So the currency is CAD. CAD, whatever course fee is mentioned on the website is in CAD.
Okay, great. Thank you. Just another small one. Is anyone of you a CMT? Is anyone of you designated as CMT? Certified market trader technician?
No, we are not.
Okay, so it's basically experience in
Yes.
your legwork basically. As okay.
Absolute,
Okay.
absolute. Our legwork, our experience that we have, and I think to add to what you're saying, I think we are pretty confident about what you are doing, and our students can vouch for that.
Okay.
Hey, Ashish, just one more question.
Sure.
Do you guys teach about the options trading as well?
So for options, we are planning to start the advanced course, which tentatively would be somewhere in December, which would be just after this batch. For learners who don't have much experience in trading, we recommend to start with trading course. However, if you are experienced expert in trading, the advanced course would be suitable for you, which is primarily
Okay, no, because people who are from batch 1 and batch 2, suppose now they are into normal stock trading, and they want to learn for option now. So
Yes.
they will join the December batch, and from there they take it.
Yes.
Yes.
That is how it would be.
No, but I mean, it would be a paid for them, or would it be a complimentary?
It will be paid for them. It will be a different course altogether. It will be a new course for them altogether. So yes, they will have to pay for it.
Yes, the course
Okay.
duration and the
Okay.
course structure and course fee is all different. It's entirely different, and that's why it's
Because the options
as
course
of-
is a pretty lengthy course. It will almost run into a few months.
Oh, okay. So how much time and how much money are we talking about? The
I mean,
fees?
we are talking about a duration of almost about 3 months on a rough ballpark figure. The pricing of the course has not yet been finalized, but yes, it should be a 3-month course. Again, weekends for
Okay.
2.5 hours each day.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. Thanks.
Most welcome.
Yes. So thank you all for joining. It was good to have you all from different places, and we would be happy to see you enroll in the course and start learning from the experts in the class starting next Saturday. So hope to see you all then. With that, have a nice day, have a nice remaining part of the weekend, and catch up with you all later.
Thank you, everybody, and God bless you all.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.